Hey there everyone, and as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to pay your Atome Card using BDO Online. So if this video will help you, please don't forget to leave a like. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your Atome app and go to the Bills tab. After that, tap Pay Now under your Atome Card. Select the bank transfer via InstaPay as your payment method. The app will display your Atome Card payment details including the bank name, account number, and account name. Next, open your BDO online banking app. On home screen, tap Send Money at the bottom. And after that, tap Other Bank. Choose BDO Unibank INC as the destination bank. And just enter your account number and account name and the amount you want to pay. Just review the details and confirm the payment and submit. Payment via InstaPay usually reflect on your Atome app within a few minutes. And that's it. That's how you pay your Atome Card using BDO Online via InstaPay. Quick, easy, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.